Hey everybody, it's Neil, and look at what I got here. I got these Tesla Model Y. They are wheel covers. So I got these. I kind of opened them up already, but I'll show you. They come in this nice, each one is wrapped very well inside of this. So it comes with that. And this is what they look like. They are very cool looking. And it comes with those. It comes with the T emblem. So if you like the sleek looking T emblem, you get that one. You get the red looking T emblem, so you can have either one of those, I guess. And then a silver one. So I guess there's 3 different types of emblems you get. So you get a whole ton of these discs to put in there. So they'll just stick on there like that. So very cool. And these are the simplest ones to put on. I already took off my old hubcap. Basically, you just pull it to take it off. But to put these on, you just look at it. You can see right here, you line up this little thing here with the valve stem, just like that. And there we go. I have a hubcap on. So how cool is that? These are sweet looking, huh? These are. And then I can pick which sticker I want. So let's say I probably want this silver looking one here. Actually, I'll go for sleek. I'll go for black. So I just take this. It's got some double-sided tape on it. It's so sticky I can't even get the tape off. There we go, tape's off. And I like to aim the bottom of it towards the valve stem, and it just sticks on. Should have taken off the other plastic on it first, but there we go. And there we go, very cool. How do you like those? That's a pretty sweet looking ride now. Very cool, goes from the silver to the black now. So I'm gonna say that is pretty awesome. That's what these ones here are. These are the Model, go this side here. The Model Y 19-inch wheel covers. Comes with all 4 of them right here. You can see all 4. So I just need to put the other ones on and we're good to go. So how cool is that? Very nice looking car. So thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.